Hey bro, just so you know you can trust me, I'm 15 and I'm making about $1.5 grand a month right now online. I'm just saying that right now, right at the start of the video, just to prove that I actually do have credibility in this, because there's so many little kids on the internet that try and give advice on like shit they don't know about, and it's just so annoying. This will help you, okay? I've already shown credibility. I can help you because look at it this way. I'm in the position you want to be in. I'm making money online with an online business, okay? And so I can give you advice on how you can do the same. Actually pay attention to this video. Don't treat it like all the other videos you watch that you don't really just pay attention to, that don't really serve you or help you. Actually listen to this. Make notes, get a notepad out right now. Get it on your phone, on your notes if you can, because this video is actually valuable for you and it will help you. About last year, in springtime last year, it was my friend's birthday. And I just got in, like, we'd both just got into self-improvement at that time recently, and he just got into like working out, and he had this like home gym he was trying to build because he couldn't go to an actual gym because he was, well, we were both too young at the time. And so he didn't really have any equipment. He had some like really light dumbbells that his mum gave him, but he didn't really have much. And so for his birthday, I wanted to get him some dumbbells. And so I went on Amazon, I searched it up, and the cheapest they could be was like £20 or something for like 10 kilogram dumbbells or something, like two 10-kilogram dumbbells. That was the cheapest I could get them, like £20, like $25. And honestly, man, it sounds stupid, but I was quite annoyed at that. I was really annoyed at that, because £20 was literally what I made in an entire month from doing chores for my parents. But you know, I'm sure you can relate to this. I was a nice guy. I wanted to help my friend out because I knew these dumbbells would really help him on his journey. I knew he really needed them. And I already had my own dumbbells that my dad had got me. So I knew what it was like for him. So I just ordered them off Amazon. And then the next day when we were in the car going to school together, I gave them to him. And it was weird. When I gave them to him, it's like, I felt good. I felt good because obviously I was helping him out. I was giving him a present, and it wasn't really just a present. It was obviously something that would help him to improve in his own self-improvement. But I felt bad at the same time because I was just like, that's a whole month's worth of money gone. That was a whole month's worth of money. Not down the drain, but just away from me. And I just realized, like, I need money. I need money. I want financial freedom, and I'm sure you're the same. I'm sure you just want money. I'm sure you just want money to buy things to help people out. And I know what it's like trying to make money. I'm sure you've tried so many online business models, trying SMMA, affiliate marketing, some random YouTube channel, stuff like that. I'm sure you've tried that stuff, bro. And I can relate to that too, because I had countless faceless YouTube channels. I tried affiliate marketing. I tried all that other stuff. I know what it's like. I know it's incredibly hard to actually try and succeed and actually try and make money online. And it's like, you want money, but you're too young to get a job as well, because like, obviously I'm too young to get an actual like real job because I'm only 15. And I know what it's like just wanting money, but literally having zero way to get it. It's like, I'm sure you are willing to put in the work. You know you are willing to put in the work. You know you can be disciplined, but it's just, whatever you try, you just don't seem to get results, and you just don't know what's going on for you, bro. But if I continue on that story, it was only a couple months after that moment, I started a YouTube channel, this exact YouTube channel here, and I started uploading, growing on YouTube more and more, and I didn't actually build that big of an audience. You can scroll down right now, and unless you're watching this years in the future where I've got 1 million subscribers, I'm not actually that big. But I carried on growing, and then eventually about 4 months ago, I decided, you know what, I'm going to sell a product to my audience. And so I did that. I started selling coaching to my audience, and well, that worked out. And I started making a decent amount of money from it, and that's not making my money from right now. You see, bro, I am just like you. We are no different from each other. The only difference is I just started working on something, and I've stayed consistent on it, and yeah, I got a little bit lucky, but all in all, I just took the right decisions, and I put the work in. And that's all that happened to me, and I've learned the lessons now that can help you to get to where I am. And so for this video, I've prepared a 5-step process on exactly what I know you need to do, and what I know you need to learn to actually start making money online. Now, the first thing, and you've probably already done this, and that's just stop being a degenerate, okay? Stop being like everyone else you see at school. Stop like scrolling on YouTube shorts, stop scrolling on TikTok, stop all the stupid junk food and everything like that. Become disciplined, have some structure and rigidity in your life. Make a habit tracker, get consistent on a schedule, get consistent on self-improvement first, get consistent in your fitness journey, get consistent working out, going to the gym, running, whatever you do. Get consistent with that first, and I'm sure you already have got consistent with it if you are onto the level of making money. But if you're not, and you are still kind of not fully on self-improvement yet, onto the conventional self-improvement, then you're going to have a very hard time to make money. Because look at it this way, business is basically just the next level above self-improvement, okay? And so if you cannot be consistent in self-improvement, how do you expect to be consistent on the harder level of business? So imagine it like this, maybe like fitness is like level 1, yeah? Then self-improvement is level 2, and then business is level 3. Yeah, if you can't even be consistent in level 1 or level 2, then how do you expect to be consistent in level 3? You have to get consistent and good at the first 2 levels before you go on to the 3rd level. And I'm not saying you have to be fully 100% consistent. You can be in ruts. Obviously, I still get in ruts. Everyone still gets in ruts all the time. But if you're not generally pretty consistent in it, and you still class yourself as someone who's trying to get on self-improvement, then I'd say hold off this right now and go watch some videos on actually how to get better and consistent at self-improvement and become disciplined with that first. Now the second step, the next step, it's more of a mindset than something you can actually do, and that's to simply just stop having a limited mindset with money. Now I told you that story of the time when I was giving those dumbbells to my friend. That was me having a limited mindset of money. I was like, okay, I only get £20 per month and there's nothing I can do about that. And so if I give my friend these dumbbells, that means I don't get any money for this month. That was exactly what a limited mindset was. Now maybe you can think of a few times for yourself. So write it down right now. You should have notes. You should have like a note page or somewhere open that you can actually write down notes for this video, because this will help you remember. So just quickly write down, you can pause this video and just think about a few times that you've had a limited mindset of money. Another one for me could have been buying editing software. When I was just starting out on YouTube, I wanted to get like Adobe Premiere Pro, which is what I edit on now. But with the student discount and everything, it was like £17 a month, and with £17 a month, that was like basically all of my money. I'd only get like an extra £3 per month on top of that. And so for months I was contemplating over getting like the full version of like Premiere Pro. I had a fucking pirated version of it before, but obviously that wasn't as good as the actual one. So just think of some more things. When did you have a limited mindset of money? Now what we've just done there is identified a problem that you have. In all those moments you have been suffering from the limited money mindset. And honestly bro, I do not blame you at all for having that mindset, because like I said before, I had that mindset. I had that exact same mindset, okay? Basically, everybody has it. You see literally everybody nowadays. They're trying to save money. They're trying to, oh yeah, guys, don't drink coffee because then you'll be a millionaire in 20 years or whatever. Everyone says that now. Everybody says that now. Okay, everyone says, okay, save money. Don't think about making more money, just save money. Cut down on what you actually enjoy doing so you can have more money, so you can have a bigger number in your bank account. That's the advice that everybody gives. And honestly, bro, it's just such stupid advice, because it stops you from making more money. It really just rips out the entrepreneur like part of your mind and just says, okay, you make this amount of money. The only way you can actually get more money is just by spending less money. That's what society, that's what, it sounds harsh, but that's what your family, that's what school has put onto you, that's what literally everything has put onto you. But the only way you can actually make more money is simply just by saving money. It is not your fault whatsoever that you have this mindset. But you know what? We are gonna win and we are gonna rise above, because you already know I'm different. You already know I'm different from most of the YouTubers, don't you? And if you be honest with yourself, you've known you've been different. You know you've actually like been special. You know you've been different from everybody else for quite a while now, haven't you? You've known you've been special. You know you are going to reach something great. You know you're going to have a good destiny. So what we are going to do is simply just take away this limited mindset of money. You're going to open up your mind to realize that actually spending money can help you to make more money. You need to stop thinking that whatever you have saved up in your bank account right now, or whatever you get per month is limited. Because you have to realize that if you actually invest that money into something that will help you to make more money, you will make more money. Now, for the next 2 steps, I'm going to teach you the exact business model that I do. I'm going to give away all the secrets on exactly how you can win in this business model that nobody really does right anymore. Now, I have a program. I have my own personal coaching to help you to basically just win in this business model. So you already know I'm different, bro. You already know I'm like not like most other YouTubers, and you already know you can trust me. So all I'm going to ask you to do is to simply just watch to the end of the video. Watch to the end of the video and fully understand this business model. And then what I want you to do is to simply go and buy my program, buy my coaching. I want you to understand my business model, because basically what the business model is creating a YouTube channel, building an audience and selling a product to that audience is honestly the most overpowered thing ever. And then once you've watched to the end of this video and once you fully understand this business model, I want you to go buy the paid product, make the commitment, because I already know you trust me. I already know you trust who I am. I want you to make the commitment, okay, to actually start making progress on this. Because you already know in your mind, if you be honest with yourself, I'm not insulting you here because I did it too, but you've been switching business models way too much, haven't you? You've not actually stayed consistent on one thing for that long. I've been doing my current business model for about 9 months now, okay? And it's only been in the past few months I've started making progress. And so what I want you to do is to make the monetary commitment to actually do this. And obviously my program, it will massively help you. I've got guys in here making hundreds of dollars, literally with like less than 50 subscribers, all right? And it's not like I'm like giving out one specific method or giving out like specific secrets or anything in my program. All I'm simply doing is giving you the exact things that you specifically need to do. Because obviously everybody is different, everybody's personality is different. And so one thing that suits one guy won't suit another. So what I do in my program is literally just give you the exact things that you specifically need to do to start making money. Now there's a link in the description for that if you want to go buy already and you want to make the commitment right now. But all I'm going to tell you to do is to continue watching this video, fully like take in all the lessons I'm giving out in this video, fully understand the business model, and then go and make the commitment afterwards. So step 3, and this is the start of this business model, is to simply just start a YouTube channel. Start uploading videos on whatever you want to upload videos on, giving it advice, solving people's problems, or doing whatever else you want. You could make a self-improvement channel, you could make a channel on a sport, you can make a channel on whatever. Just make a channel on something that you're good at and something that you actually like talking about. Now, when you get my coaching, when you join my program, obviously I will work with you personally here and give you the exact thing you actually need to start working on with your YouTube channel. We'll figure out the exact topic that will be best for you, that will help you to get the sales the fastest. But right now, let's just get started on that quickly. Just write down a few things, a few topics, a few niches that you think could actually actually work for your channel. So it could be a sport, it could be a martial art, it could be just general self-improvement. Okay, just write something down that you think will actually work. Now, with that, I want you to simply just start making videos on it. And there's two attitudes you can make videos with. You can either do it with the attitude of, okay, I'm giving you advice, like I'm doing right now. I'm giving you advice, I'm the leader, I'm giving you advice. You can go at it with that attitude. Or you could go at it with the attitude of, like, we're on the same level, here's what I'm doing, I'm just showing you what I'm doing, kind of like vlogging in a way. When you get my coaching, when you get my program, I will basically give you the exact one you need to do for that. We will figure out what suits you best. But for now, just put down which one you think you would prefer doing. So for example, if you were really good at a martial art, you might put, okay, I wanna teach Taekwondo and I give advice on Taekwondo. And then all you wanna do is upload videos and basically spam videos to YouTube. At the start, when you're not actually that good at speaking on camera, I want you to go for quantity over quality. Because when you're just a beginner, your best video isn't actually that much better than your worst video. It sounds kind of stupid, I know, but when I'm looking at smaller YouTubers who aren't actually that good at making videos, when I see them put like hours and hours into one video, it's only really like 10% or 20% better than their worst video. And so basically what that means is you putting any amount of effort into any video when you're still small isn't actually going to help you that much. And so instead what you should do is simply just upload more and basically spam upload. Get more hours on camera, yeah? Get loads and loads of time on camera so you can get more experience with speaking, get more experience with getting better at speaking, getting better at pronouncing your words. You can look back in my old videos and see how like bad I was at speaking back then compared to now. You just want to go for quantity over quality with your videos. And then also, this is another thing I will teach you. You want to set up a paid product. So this could be coaching, you could set up a course, you could set up whatever. I'm not really going to go into deep into this because again, this is another one of the things I teach and I will personally help you one-on-one with in my program. So again, think of something you could sell. Okay, think of a problem you could solve for someone with a course, a community, a coaching, whatever. Just think of something you could sell and then start selling that right from the very start. Don't wait to 50 or 100 subscribers to sell. Sell right from the very start, because who knows, maybe your first subscriber really likes you. Maybe your first subscriber will buy your product. If you wait till 100 subscribers or whatever, maybe you get like 10,000 views in that time. That's 10,000 people that haven't had an opportunity to buy if they wanted to. Personally, I made the mistake of not selling earlier. I only started selling when I was at about 1,000 subscribers. And honestly, if I'd started selling right from the very start, I'd easily be on double the income right now. Now, step 4 is once you've actually got pretty decent at making videos, once you've got pretty decent at speaking on camera, once you've got pretty decent at doing whatever and actually getting better at making videos and being a YouTuber and selling a product, once you've got to a higher level of that because you've done so much of it, you want to actually focus more on quality over quantity at this point. Because look at it this way. Once you're actually a good YouTuber, you will actually be able to make good videos. And so once you become a better YouTuber, your best video might be 10 times better than your worst video, for example. And again, one really good video will outperform 10 pretty shit videos. And also, one really good video will not take 10 times the amount of time to make 10 bad videos, if that makes sense. So once you become better at actually making good videos and you can make good videos that will actually do well on YouTube, all I want you to do is to simply just make better videos. Okay, make videos that could actually possibly go viral and blow up. And hopefully with this, you'll start actually probably building up a good, close audience. You'll start building everyone up. You'll gain momentum. You'll gain subscribers. You'll gain views. Your channel will blow up. Like my channel blew up like a couple months ago in November, when I was making YouTube shorts and stuff like that, and my channel blew up. That's when I went from like 300 to like 1,000 subscribers or whatever. Completely blew up with that. That's what will happen once you start actually getting good at making videos. But this also requires a lot of dedication and a lot of discipline. Obviously, that's why we had step 1. You have to be able to work on stuff for this. And also at the stage, you'll probably start getting sales. Once you start growing enough, and once your paid product has become good enough, you will start getting sales. And there's a quote I really like going by that happens to sales, like when you actually get sales, the timings of them, and that's called when it rains, it pours. Basically what it means is when you get sales, they'll all come at once. So what usually happens is, I found this for me too, is you'll get like loads and loads of sales in one big bunch, and then you have a long dry period, and then you'll have like another bunch of big sales altogether. And now step 5 is once you've actually got there, once you've started getting the sales, once you've actually started making a decent amount of money, and this is the level I'm on right now, that's to keep it and not to lose it. Keep working hard, keep staying consistent, because if you get into a rut, and if you get into a pretty bad rut, and this has happened to me too, you will actually start losing. You'll start losing, your income will drop down, okay? You will start getting less views, your YouTube channel will die out. That's what will happen if you stop like being disciplined. Once you've made it and once you've actually started making money and you've basically become financially free, I'm not obviously fully financially free, but at a 15-year-old level, I could basically say I'm financially free. And making sure you actually enjoy what you're doing, and this comes back to like actually picking the right niche, comes back to this, okay? If you don't enjoy what you're doing, you won't be able to stay consistent with it. Like, I'm outside in nature right now. Like, look how beautiful this area is, bro. Like, look how beautiful it is right now. Crazy. There's cows over there, yeah. The sun's out, it's fairly warm. It's been pretty like warm recently. I absolutely love recording out here. Obviously I'm helping you with this video. I absolutely love being here, okay? And that allows me to stay consistent, okay? And that allows me to carry on working because I enjoy it. If I pick some random niche that I don't even know what, like writing for example, I don't know, imagine if I pick writing, I'd just hate it. I'd be out here talking about writing, being like, oh, writing, yeah, write stories, guys. I hate it. If that was the case, I would absolutely hate it, okay? But because I'm talking about entrepreneurship and making money, I absolutely love making this video. And so with step 5, you simply just have to keep working hard and keep scaling and keep building bigger and bigger numbers. For December, my goal is £10,000 and I am going to hit that, okay? I am going to become financially free. I'm going to retire my parents. My dad just said to me the other day when I was going out on my bike, my dad just said to me, I can't wait to retire. He just said, I wish I could be like that guy. I wish I could just sit down in the morning and laugh at everyone else going to work with a coffee in my hand and then just go out on a big hike, basically just spend the day how I want to. That's what he said to me. And I'm going to retire him. I'm going to retire my parents. I know my dad's going to be watching this right now. I'm going to retire you, Dad, okay? It's going to happen. I'm going to reach that £10,000 month in December, and it's going to happen. You see, bro, I haven't even like planned this into the video. I just want to talk about this for now. You see, I put the phone away. This isn't scripted whatsoever. I just want to talk about how beautiful entrepreneurship actually is. Because entrepreneurship, doing this, building like power, building wealth like this, it's really been beautiful. It's genuinely so beautiful. Waking up every morning, putting the work in, it's quite ugly. It's quite hard sometimes, okay? But once you start seeing results and you start realizing how much you can actually help people, how much of a difference you can make in people's lives, it's honestly beautiful. Because it's like, just while recording this, I kind of got distracted a bit, I'll be honest. But one of my clients messaged me. So this is Anders right now. Anders from Norway. Look at this man. So he hasn't uploaded in a while, but I don't know if you can see that or not. Basically, his video is a 1 out of 10. Why is it a 1 out of 10? Well, because I helped him with the title, with the thumbnail, and I made him stay consistent with the editing. Okay, that's what I did for him, and it's just, I feel so happy now because he's got results with that video. It's become a 1 out of 10, 170 views in 2 days and 7 hours, it seems. Pretty decent, 1 out of 10 video. Then he just sent another one. Lovely comments. Look at this man. He's just loving it. Like, it's arrogant as fuck. This is gonna sound arrogant, but that's because of me, yeah? If I hadn't have helped him, then he wouldn't have been here. And so I feel so good. Look at these comments he's getting. Obviously that makes him feel good, and then because of that, because I helped him, that then makes me feel good. That is simply just the beautiful side of entrepreneurship. That's why I love entrepreneurship. That's why I love business so much. Obviously it can help you make money. It can help you do all this nice stuff. And like, I'm going to France in the summer. I'm literally like taking me and my dad to France. I'm paying for it all because I simply just want to go abroad. I want to travel more. I'm paying for all of that myself, and that's what money can do for you. I'm recording on this on like a nice new GoPro. I'm recording this video on like a nice new GoPro. I'll tell you that story actually quickly. This is kind of off topic. On Saturday, I think it's Wednesday. On Saturday, I bought like the newest GoPro and everything because I wanted like a new GoPro to record on my bike with the helmet and everything, and to obviously record videos like these. And so I bought it on Sunday when it should have arrived. It didn't arrive. It was like, I got some random dodgy cheap lights or something. Basically, someone on Amazon had basically stolen the GoPro and swapped it out with some lights that basically weighed the same weight, so it didn't get detected. And so I was like, okay, whatever. I went on the Amazon support chat, like tried to get a refund. They were like, yeah, you'll get a refund in like however many weeks. It's gonna be a while to get my money back. So I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna get my money back for quite a while. So I just buy another one. I just buy another GoPro because I wanted one like right now, basically. I just wanted one to start recording videos like this with a high quality camera. It's a pretty weird flex, but that's what money can do for you. That's what money can do for you. And that like £350 or whatever for the newest like GoPro Hero 12. Obviously I do care about the money, but it's not like I'm panicking about it. Imagine you suddenly lost £350. Yeah, you'd be kind of panicking. I'm kind of putting you down here, but you see what I mean? This is what money can do for you, bro. This is what money can do for you. And with entrepreneurship, money is only like a really small portion of it. The more beautiful side is actually just like I showed you with Anders there. It's really beautiful just to like feel yourself helping people. Like I wake up in the morning every single day just smiling because I'm happy. I'm being like, yes, I'm actually helping people. I'm helping people to start making money. I've got one guy that used to work like a full-time 9-to-5 job, and he's now gone part-time. He's now partially quit his 9-to-5 job because of my help, because I helped him to start making money with his coaching, with his YouTube, and now he can basically afford to go part-time in his job. Because of me. I helped him do that. If I didn't exist, he would still be working that 9-to-5 job that he hates. But because of the work I put in, because of the impact I made on him, he has now partially quit his 9-to-5 job. Think about how beautiful that is. I feel so good about that. That's what the beautiful thing about entrepreneurship is, the impact you have on people. Now, like I said earlier in the video, you have to buy my product. You have to buy my coaching, because if you actually want to start making progress, if you actually want to start winning in life and actually start making money on this, because you know the next step for you is actually making money, you have to make an investment. And like I said, you probably have a pretty limited mindset of money right now, and I don't blame you for that because I had the same. But to actually get to the next step, to get past your current constraint level, you need to invest in yourself. There's no way around it. And my coaching, my program is the best thing for you to invest in. You've already seen so many of my guys actually making progress so easily. I have experience in this, and I will help you, and I will make sure you actually make progress. Make the commitment, bro, because it will help you. It's the top link in the description because I want to help you. It's just my mission to make sure you actually become successful, because I do not want to see you suffer like everybody else, like all the normal kids at school. I do not want to see that happen to you, and so it is my mission to make sure that you succeed. So I hope this video serves you well, bro. Subscribe for more like this, and I will see you in the next video, and I hope to see you inside my program with my coaching, bro. Thank you for watching. I know this has helped you, I'll see you soon, bro.